Published 11:49 EDT, the 24th of August 2017. Updated 11:51 EDT, the 24th of August 2017. A nude blogger's Instagram page has been reinstated after it was deactivated without warning earlier this month. Jessa O'Brien's page was reactivated Tuesday night after it was shut down for breaching the organization's nudity policy 3 weeks ago. The 28-year-old called it a huge win for body positivity in a new blog post, and said she was overcome with shock, happiness and fulfillment. Nude blogger Jessa O'Brien pictured has had her Instagram page reactivated after it was shut down without warning this month. While in her first return post to Instagram, Ms. O'Brien called out the social media site with a nude photo of her holding a placard that read "F you Instagram." Her accompanying comment stated that she had been tirelessly campaigning to get the page reinstated following its removal. "Since the deactivation of this account, I have embarked on a tireless crusade against the social media giants," she wrote. "To those of you who have stood united with me, believed in me, who didn't just sit back on the issue, who fought for something bigger, thank you." The blogger also said that the closure generated a huge response from people across Australia, one that she never expected. "The deactivation actually proved to be one of the best things to happen for my message about body positivity. It's been a whirlwind," the 28-year-old pictured called the move a huge win for body positivity in a new blog post, and said it had left her overcome with shock and happiness. In a return post, Ms. O'Brien called out the social media site and thanked her fans across the country for their huge response. The page has amassed more than 44,000 followers since its launch in October 2016. A second account made while the first was offline is also still running, with Ms. O'Brien saying it was in case something similar happens again. The blogger, who asserts the nudity shown on the page is non-pornographic and non-sexual, told 9 News she was gutted following its closure. "It takes a lot of time, energy and effort to build something like this," she said. "I think this has gone to expose the double standards that are exacerbated on social media. You've got sexually explicit photos appearing, and then you have mine, which are mostly out in nature and are not explicit in any way." While Ms. O'Brien did not know who had reinstated the account, she thanked the person, people, robot, or reptilian behind the decision. "You've just helped to show the world that body positivity and non-sexual nudity are okay. So yes, thank you to Instagram," she wrote. Ms. O'Brien's page, which she says shows non-pornographic and non-sexual nudity, has amassed more than 44,000 followers since its launch in October 2016. A second social media account was made while the first was offline and is also still running, with Ms. O'Brien saying it was in case something similar happens again.